Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the paddock. My name is Rachel, and I just got back from the USGP in Austin with some of the other lovely ladies of the Paddock Girls podcast. And it was a little expensive. Not gonna lie, I'm a little scared to check my bank account. But that's okay, because what do we have? We have girl math. So let's girl math the USGP together. All right, I've got my notes. Let's get started. GA tickets are $475 for 3 days. Park and ride parking is $150 for 3 days. My share of the hotel for the first night was $235. My share of the Airbnb for the rest of the week was $670. Rental cars $517, and my airfare round trip was $230. That gives us a grand total of $2,277. So, GA tickets bought months ago. Park and ride parking bought with GA tickets. By the time the event rolls around, it's basically free. It doesn't count. So that brings us down to $1,652. Airfare is the same thing. Bought months ago. By the time the flight rolls around, it's basically free. Brings us down to $1,422. And now you factor in concerts. Usually there's only 2 concerts, Friday and Saturday. This year they surprised everyone and had a super fun 3rd concert on Sunday after the race. So if you take into account the average cost of a concert ticket for those 3 performers, The Killers, Queen and Adam Lambert, and Tiesto, you get a total of $705, bringing us down to $717. Now that last 717. There were 8 of us on this trip in total, which means there were 7 other girls other than myself, which means that's 7 other trips, because if we weren't all together, that would be 7 individual trips around the country, which means by the time you really think about it, plane tickets, hotels, Ubers, all of that factored in, it's all basically free. And getting to experience a GP with some of my best friends in the entire world, I mean, that's priceless. You really can't put a price point on that. So if you really think about it, the whole thing, it's basically free.